Hey everybody, this is just a recap on what the chickens are doing. 2 out of 3 of them are laying eggs. Red. Red, red, red. Red, red, red. Okay, we're good now. But 2 out of 3 of them are laying eggs. The Americana and the... forgot its name. Buff Orpington, okay? Buff Orpington, and we have the Australorps. We have 2 black Australorps. There we go. 1, 2. And this is the... and this one is the Buff Orpington. This one's pretty cool. This one's just started laying eggs. It lays brown eggs, and the Americana lays blue eggs. So those are pretty cool eggs, and we got 1 double yolk so far out of like 1 week, 1 or 2 weeks. We got 1 double yolk out of the Americana, and the Rhode Island Red is not laying eggs yet. There she is. There she is. She's not laying eggs yet currently, but these ones are littler. These ones are littler than these ones. These ones, and Red sometimes kind of runs after them, but most of the time they don't disturb them. But they've been doing good. That's all I want to say. They all lay in 1 box, both the Americana and the Australorp, or wait, Buff Orpington. Yeah, the Buff Orpington and the Americana. Those 2 are, sorry, I got a horse fly on my hand, but those 2 are laying, and we keep them in this kind of like town or whatever. We got the little chicken coop over here. It's pretty nice. We got a perch. We got a roosting place over there. And then we have the big chicken coop. There it is. We got two roosting sticks or whatever. And then we have the laying boxes. The Americana and the Buff Orpington both lay in that one. We don't know which one the Red is gonna lay in, or Rhode Island Red is gonna lay in, but if you feed them this grit, this Polytary grit, it helps them digest their food. Yeah, and that helps a lot with digesting the food, because like you don't want it to get stuck or whatever. We just sprinkle it on the ground like we did right there. But that's all we want. That's all I really want to say, and hope you're having a good day or night or morning. But I guess that's it. See you later.